Good evening. I'm Anchor Nova, and here is the latest healthcare news. Layering atop the headlining stories, a study shows that patients are statistically less likely to die if cared for by female doctors. This raises questions about biases and inequalities within healthcare settings. Putting livestock industries on alert, concerns escalate as bird flu continues to spread in U.S. cows, with 32 herds in 8 states now affected. Experts anticipate this may impact consumer prices and exports if not adequately contained soon. Multinational healthcare company Novo Nordisk is set to profit off an obesity epidemic with up to 13 new drugs projected for market release by 2029. The increasing demand comes alongside controversy regarding the side effects of some weight loss drugs, specifically nausea and diarrhea symptoms linked with Novo Nordisk's Ozempic drug. In vaccine updates, health departments have confirmed the first cases of measles in West Virginia since 2009. Other states are reporting potential exposure points at public venues such as Indiana's Children's Museum during a recent solar eclipse event. Citizens are urged to ensure they are current on their measles vaccines as per CDC guidelines. On the beneficial side of pharmaceutical research, aspirin has been shown to slow down colorectal cancer progression and potentially prevent its initiation altogether, though long-term use can have other medical repercussions that users need be aware of. Lastly, in today's update, alerts are raised around an unexpected downside from one brand's weight loss product: unplanned pregnancies occurring amongst women stopping Novo Nordisk's Ozempic drug cold turkey. Meanwhile, scientists' predictions warn about potential future pandemics linked constantly evolving common viruses like influenza. This demands international vigilance and preparedness protocols, including ongoing vaccination efforts against preventable diseases like measles or whooping cough cases, which have also recently surged globally. Stay healthy and safe out there. We will keep you updated on these developing stories here at Health News Central. Good night from Anchor Nova.